Assalamu alaikum class, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So let's start with the lecture. As previous one we know, a triangle has three sides and it has three angles. And what is the total angle in a triangle? I want to say how many angles in a triangle. What is the total angle in a triangle? We learned in our previous one's lectures. So 180 is the total angle in a triangle. So we say if we add three angles A, B, C, A plus B plus C, total three angles, then sum up will be equal to 180 degree. So this is the previous one in lectures. If I said I have a triangle and we have given two angles and third is unknown. I said this one is 40, this one is 70 and third one is missing. So how can we find that unknown angle? By using this equation. We said we know sum of three angles always equal to 180 degree. We have given two angles A, B or say A and B, whatever. I put A 40 plus B equals 70 and third is unknown equal to 180. So solve first these two values. 70 plus 40 equal to 110 plus C equal to 180 degree. After transposition, this one will be moved to another side. C 180 degree to minus 110 degree. How this will be minus? Here it is plus. After transposition it will be minus. So solve this equation, we get 70 degree. So unknown angle in a triangle is 70 degree. So basic question is, we have a total three angle in a triangle. If one is missing, then we use this method to find unknown angle in a triangle. So if you see this type of question, we have inside three angles is given. So basically we don't need to apply this trick to solve unknown angle. So we see this angle is outside the triangle. Here we use the method name straight line. We have seen this is the straight line. So we use here straight line method. In straight line method, one interior and one exterior angle. Okay, this angle is inside the triangle. So we said it is interior angle. And this angle is outside of the triangle. So we said it is exterior. E-X-T-I-O-R. Okay. So one interior, one exterior. Both are linking or connected with one another. So we said 50 plus X, one interior plus one exterior, sum up always equal to 180 degree. So this is called straight line. Okay, you said due to straight line we can find our unknown angle which is outside the triangle. We said exterior. So how can we find exterior angle with the help of interior, with the help of straight line? So how can we find the unknown exterior angle? One interior plus one exterior always equal to 180 degree, and both interior exterior always connected to each other or linking each other. So after transposition, here 50 is plus, on the other side will be minus. So unknown exterior angle is 130 degree. Now we start our exercise 11.5. Question number 1. Find the unknown angle of the following triangle. Unknown angle mean whether it is exterior or interior. So in this figure we see we have one interior angle is given and two interior is found. We don't know how we can find, but in previous lectures 0.4 we talk about the triangle and its types according to side and angle. We know when we have a triangle is given and these two lines marked on triangle, what that triangle is called. We learned there are three types of triangle according to sides or according to angles. When these two lines are marked on triangle, on which type? So in isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal and third one is different. Okay, any two sides, it will be A or C, A or B, or B and C. Any two sides is equal and third one is different. And same rule is applying on angle. We see we have two sides is equal. It means two angles is also equal to each other. So we said in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and third one is different. So third one different is given and two same is unknown. So we said A is also equal to B. Now we apply our first method. The sum of three angles always equal to 180 degree. A plus B plus third one is 40 degree equal to 180 degree. Okay, due to isosceles triangle, we said A side A angle equal to B angle and third one 40 angle is different, so is given, and we apply sum of three angles always equal to 180 degree and apply this strategy here. Replace B into A. Why we change B into A? Due to isosceles triangle. So sum of variable into variable, 2A plus 40 degree equal to 180 degree. 2A first transferred it to another side. After subtraction we get 140, and 2 here is multiply with variable A, and after transposition it will be divided. So answer is 70 degree. If A is 70 degree, due to isosceles triangle, B is also 70 degree. So here is our two unknown angles in this figure. So next question, number 1, part number B. So this is similar to question number 1, part A. If I remove this part, exterior angle, we see we have two unknown angles A and B, and third one is given 80 degree, and due to these two lines we said it is isosceles triangle, and in isosceles triangle angle A and angle B is equal to each other. So first write this line. In isosceles triangle, A angle equal to B, and write the method sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree, and we replace B to A due to isosceles. 2A plus C is third angle is 80 degree, 180 degree. Here 80 is plus, after transposition it will be minus 100 degree. Here 2 is multiplied with variable A, after transposition it will be divided. So answer is 50. So angle A equal to 50 degree, and due to isosceles triangle B is also equal to 50 degree. Now we are going to find our exterior angle, unknown angle X, and we see this exterior angle is linking with B angle, and we already find B equal to 50 degree. And how can we find our exterior angle with the help of interior? We know in straight line, due to straight line, in straight line X and B linking with each other, X plus B equal to 180 degree. So whatever it is condition, it is always equal to 180 degree and 180 degree. So X is unknown, so X write it as it is, and B equal to 50 degree. And here we can find our exterior angle with the help of interior, X equal to 130 degree. So just practice this question